Hello,
konnichiwa, yay!
So today is shodai bio nature desu.
Yeah. We tried these products before, but we're trying different flavors and stuff because they're so nice. So. Wow. Like last time, the bumkuchen was so tasty, but this time we're going to try matcha.
Yes.
Matcha.
Wow, matcha.
Yeah, you can open whichever ones you want. So. These macaroons. Ooh, matcha macaroons. So good. So I'll put a few on a plate. By the way, the teas are incredible. Very tasty. You can take the plastic off. Just in case they'll see the reflection of mummy. He took the plastic off, don't worry. You can. Oh, everyone's doing it. Now, the amazing thing about this company is it's all organic. That's crazy. Look at that, it's got green tea on there, and oh, that's pretty awesome. Wow. It's easy to rip on the top here. Oh my goodness.
Looks yummy. Yeah. Then we must try
Wow, that smells so nice. Look at that.
Wow. That's so beautiful.
And like I was saying, the tea, different level of organic taste, like strong, healthy taste. Okay, good job. Oh, you got the plate there? So what should we try first?
This.
This one?
This.
Okay.
It looks so yummy.
And this is a lot of tasting to do.
Yes.
Okay. I'll eat this part. Tastes really nice. Oh. Right in the center there, it's chestnut. Wow, it's bigger. You go, Hannah. One more, you can take that one.
Wow.
Yuki-chan, do you want to try that? You don't want to try it? Oh, you want to try it? Oh, yeah, let's try it. Take a mass. So good.
Yummy.
That is so good. That is so good. You like it? Okay. Silver tooth. But maybe the taste is a bit more of a mature taste. So it's got lots of flavours in there. Just like a taste explosion, really.
It's so yummy.
So yummy. So yummy. Okay, which one should we try next? You want to try this one? That was so good. I was surprised about that one.
Yeah, I really love this. Yeah. Careful, it could drop from the thank
Okay. Okay, itadakimasu. Oh, look, there's like something else in here, like a lemon. Yeah, itadakimasu.
Some kind of fruit.
Tastes like green tea.
It does.
Very nice. Very nice.
What was the middle one, the yellow one?
I'm not too sure what that was. I'd have to read the box, but I can't read Japanese, so I won't. So that was like really funny. The camera ran out of battery.
Yes.
So there's like a big long break. Here we ate that one.
This one. This one. Okay.
Hang on, we gotta do that. No, we don't. We done that one. We're gonna do
yeah, we done.
I really love this one. Okay, I gotta cut it, darling. I'll just cut it. But wow,
Wow, the inside. Wow.
it's like
Nice. 食べてないのにすっごい美味しさ。美味しくする感じ。絶対美味しいってわかる。
whoops.
美味しい。
Oh, no, this way or this way? I'll put it this way.
美味しいから。これが美味しかったら全部美味しいはずよ。
No, I'll take that one first. Normal. This is all organic, so it's fine. There was my one because it's broken. It's broken. It's going to fall apart. See, look. So you can eat this one. This one. That's all.
いただきます。いただきます。めっちゃ。The inside is like this. もうめっちゃ見て。これってる。
That's amazing.
Yummy.
And it's organic, which is incredible. Okay.
When I start eating, I didn't finish eating. It's too yummy. Table.
Yeah, don't eat with your elbow on the table, please.
Maybe just too high. I mean, too. Yeah, too high.
Okay. There's some bum cooking for you there when you finish it. Go.
Go. And eat.
Everything's incredible tasting. We were tasting so much incredible stuff that the flavors mix a little bit. They're getting normal, but they're really.
I think we should eat this in a drink and eat this in a drink and eat this
I
in
think
a
so.
drink.
Because they're all incredible, aren't they? They're all really nice. All right. No joke, these are really good. But which is your favourite?
My favorite. I cannot choose.
You cannot choose? I thought that one was.
Oh, this one is, but after this one came, how to choose which is.
Yeah, but the thing is, they
this
taste a lot different.
Really
So that's the
different.
interesting thing.
From the matcha flavor, this is the best.
Okay.
You need to be careful. I love all. So they miss this and this is my best one.
Which is your favourite, Yuki?
This one.
Nice. Yeah, you really love that one.
Thanks, so it was really yummy. I love this and this and this too, and this too.
Yep. No, they're all really good.
Yes.
Amazing. Okay, so we say goodbye.
Bye. Yummy.
Very yummy. Oh, and organic. Amazing.